offering you an honest day's work for an honest pay.
Mr. Van Valen, goodbye.
Well, it's been a pleasure to meet you, Miss Clegg. May I say, I have never seen a woman with more beautiful hair. What a prize catch it'll make, hanging from the waist of an Indian. Beauty alone in the wilderness. And who's to protect you? No one. Not one person won't be looking after himself. Well?
Bradley?
Or is it?
Do you like it?
Yeah, very much. So that was your mysterious appointment.
Mr. Bradley.
In a way, my actions may have been responsible for the shelling of the church. Late yesterday afternoon, several wounded soldiers made their way to our dispensary. I took it upon myself to admit them.
There's nothing else to do. I would have done the same.
It must be a great blow to you. See your beautiful church so wantonly destroyed.
No one can destroy my church. I shall build it again. As long as I live, I shall build my church.
Father, the Imperial Captain, the one who commands the gunners here, he demands that you talk to him.
You think that you've been getting away with it all this time, standing by. Well, son, your bystanding days are over. You're in it now, up to your neck. They told me that you're a genius with explosives. Start proving it. You got me in the mood to use this thing. And by God, if you don't think of something, I'll use it on you.
Do you like to have people think that you're...
Coward, why don't you say it? Are you afraid of the word? I'm not. And I'm not going to spend the rest of my life demonstrating how brave I am.
Because Jim says his watch is going to belong to him someday.
That's right.
What are you going to give me?
There's a pearl necklace. There's a ring that belonged to your mother.